If you don't like the 9-to-5 grind but still want to make money, then listen up. It's time to create your Amazon account with LapsPro Institute. First, head over to Amazon's homepage. Click on the Sign In button, then select Create Your Amazon Account. Fill in your name, email, and create a strong password. Hit Continue and verify your email with the code Amazon sends you. Boom, you're in. Next, let's set up your seller account. Click on Sell at the bottom of the homepage. Follow the prompts to enter your business information, payment details, and verify your identity. Don't worry, LapsPro Institute's got your back with easy-to-follow guides. Now it's time to list your first product. Go to Inventory and select Add a Product. Enter your product details, upload high-quality images, and set a competitive price. Hit Save and Finish. Congrats, you're officially an Amazon seller. To boost your sales, use LapsPro Institute's tips on keyword optimization, great customer service, and running promotions. With these steps, you're on your way to e-commerce success. Happy selling!